Check out this 2002 Lexus SC 430. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle. The powertrain includes rear-wheel drive with a powerful 8-cylinder engine driven by a 5-speed automatic transmission. Find your way easily with the included navigation system. Savor your listening experience with the premium sound system. Anti-lock brakes help you bring your vehicle to a safe stop. Memory settings are just one of the extras. An included Carfax Vehicle History Report allows you to purchase with confidence and the knowledge that your buy was a smart choice. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: keyless entry, leather seats, power door locks, power windows, cruise control, an AM/FM stereo with multi-disc CD player, an alarm system. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included: front ventilated disc brakes, passenger airbag, side airbag, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, low tire pressure warning. Call today to schedule a test drive.